YouTube, welcome back. Today we in this series we try to teach you JavaScript fundamentals and how JavaScript works in general, and also we try to answer some questions that you may face in any JavaScript interview or any interview that related to JavaScript. If this sounds interesting for you, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And let's start. So the question is that what is a pure function? So a pure function is a function where the return value is only determined by its arguments without any side effects. So if you call a function with the same arguments n numbers of times and n number of places in the application, then it will always return the same value. So let's just try to take an example for it. So let's just say let impure, let's call this one. We will first create impure function, impure scenario. I'll create an array, let number array, and it will equals an empty array for now. No, just make it empty array. And I'll call like const impure add number, so it will get a number as an argument, and we have return, we push the number array to it. So in this one, let's just create a pure one, and we try to discuss what are the difference here in the pure one here. See, we have some side effects. The results is the result of the functions is all the time relied on the content of the number of the number array. Let's say that we have a pure function, so let's say pure const pure add number. So we have a number, and maybe let's make it an unary function. So just have call itself twice, and let's call it arg number array, and we will have arg number array dot concat concat the number, but I just put it as an array. So let's just try to, if I display the result for you, I guess everything will be clear. So let's just to say like console dot log impure with 6, for example, okay, and it will return, for example, it will returns 1. No, it will return 6, sorry. And if we do like console, this will return, this will return this will return this sort of return, this returns 1, I guess, or 6. It's return 1. And if I called console dot log array number array, sorry, it will return 6. Why it will return 1 6? And if I did it like that, I would say if I console.log pure console.log pure function with the number array, we will return 6 and 7. And if you console.log the number array, we find it returns 6 because we never modify the actual number. So as as per the as this code snippet, the push function is impure itself by alerting the array and returning a push number index independent of the parameter value, whereas the concat on the other hand takes the array and concats it with the other array, producing a whole new array without any side effects. Also, the return value is a concatenation of the previous array. Remember that pure functions are important as they simplify unit testing without any side effects and no need for dependency injection. They also avoid tight coupling and make it harder to break your application by not having any side effects. These principles are coming together with the immutability concept of ES6, giving preferences to const over let usage, for example. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.